Okay, so what you had to do is follow the instructions, and it will ring a bell. And sometimes if you're in a fire station that had a big whistle on the top, back in my day, it would blow that, or maybe a steam whistle down at the mill, do all kinds of neat things. So follow those instructions, would you please?
Can you read it? Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, here it comes. The box number is 21, so there's 2. Here comes 1. And the wheel that's in there looks something like this. And when it spins, there's 1, and it switches. Then there's 2, and there's 3, and back again. It'll do that 4 times. This is the second round.
Got